Samson Technologies kindly enough of supporting the product, and I'm really happy with the way things are going, and my outcomes surgically have been excellent. Once I understood how the product is made and the fact that it's Australian, it helped me deal with patients that were a little bit hesitant to use it. So when I provided options, as I do when I consult patients, I talk about options with bone grafts such as autogenous bone and the different sites. We can use chin, ramus, we can use the tuberosity, other sites, we can use cranium, tibia, hip, rib. When you start saying there's much bigger operations, much more risk, more cost involved, then it becomes a lot simpler to handle the fact that, hang on, we've got this bone we can buy, comes in a pack, it's frozen, it's clean, sterile, it's Australian, and it comes from other people. And surprisingly, people were accepting it quite well. It didn't take a lot of convincing. People that hesitated, once I explained that, there is a strict testing regime involved in the sterility process and the way it's done, they were quite happy. I've found enormous success with it. So I'm starting to see these patients now long term after 5-6 years coming back for follow-up, and the results when I look back at the notes, what I've used, just absolutely fantastic. If there happened to be a failure, I rarely need to graft again. So it seemed to really solve a lot of issues that we were lacking without going to distant sites in the body, such as hip or rib, to harvest that amount of bone. And getting really fantastic results with some very good follow-up, 6 months or a year later, following up on these patients with very little periodontal bone loss that you often would have seen had you not grafted these, very deep lower wisdom teeth. So overall, I think from a maxillofacial point of view, having access to these products is so important, and incorporating it really day to day. Almost every implant case, in the sort of cases I get referred, need grafting, and I use these products for nearly all of these cases with very good results.